Mrs. Roy, these worries are eating me. I thought if Torsha stays by his side, Siddharth will feel better. But things took such a turn on that festival day that. Anyways, whatever had to happen has happened.
Okay, Mr. Samresh, when I was stepping inside your house, I heard your father saying that Mithai will join the business.
Yes. But as long as I'm alive, I will not let that happen.
No. Please let it happen. Let it happen, Mr. Samresh. See, it is you who manages the entire business. Mithai will directly report to you. So framing Mithai will be easier. I mean, even if the blame would be false, people may think it is true. You are the one who can make it possible.
I hope we will sing and dance at the engagement.
Yes, what a great idea. I must buy an orange sari. You know, I look superb in orange sari. And Shri, you guys can wear different shades of one color. Or you can wear different colors also. Am I right?
Hey, Nipa, did Dad win a lottery? I mean, when did he win?
What?
It is not possible to buy so much clothes unless he wins a lottery. After all, we are not Aditya Agrawal, nor so is Ratul.
I kill you for sure, Sandy. Don't cry.
Come on.
Stop.
Sandy,
Hey,
stop.
come on.
Just
Please
wait.
stop her.
You please stop.
Why are you beating me?
We can discuss the dresses later. What I am saying is, let's decide on the songs first. Suppose Sister Nipa is sitting here.
Okay, then I'll play a song which will go with the situation. I can do that better, in a better way, okay? Mithai, start the dance practice, okay? Yes.
Yes, sure.
Hey, no, not this song.
What? Why not? Why won't it work? It's a beautiful song.
Why would you play this song? This song is meant to be played during the henna ceremony. Then what would you play on my engagement? I am telling you, I will have a henna ceremony. I don't care about Grandpa.
Oh my lord. Nipa, your engagement is still due and you have started planning the henna ceremony. Also, can we segregate the songs that way according to occasions? Okay, listen, if not this song on the engagement day, then which one should we play? Hey Sandy,
Yes.
play the song. Keep quiet and sit here. Nipa,
Okay.
come. Mithai, are you ready?
Yes, if Mithai gets a chance to dance, she's always ready and steady.
1, 2, 3, start.
Is there no one at home?
Well, no. I mean, all of them have gone to the Raji's place. Why are you asking?
No. If I could have food sent to my room. Anyway, it's all right. I'll order.
Oh, my lord. I just panicked. I thought he will shout again and say, nonsense. So, Sister Shri, what did he say? Was he asking for food?
You need not worry about that, Mithai. Siddharth told you that you don't have to do anything for him.
Hey, what are you saying, Shri? He never comes and tells us if he is hungry. But today he asked.
But didn't you ask him why? Because Mithai is here. Yet he couldn't tell Mithai directly. What if we assume that Siddharth has accepted Mithai as his wife? Why should Mithai cook for him? What does she mean to him?
Oh, Sister Shri, don't be angry. My mom says that if anyone asks for food when he's hungry, serve him whatever you can. So, Mr. Bittergaard won't eat Indian dessert. What would he like to eat? I'll cook for him.
Let me suggest sandwich. I have seen him ordering it frequently. But not a white bread sandwich, brown bread.
What?
Yes. I'll just go and fetch the brown bread. You go and chop the cucumbers and onions. I'll be back in no time, okay?
Hey!
This is so peculiar. Only yesterday he was saying this family suffocates him. And today, that same family is trying to arrange his food.
Please stop, Shri. He might hear you. Mithai, come with me. Come on. Come. Come. Okay, listen. First, cut the tomatoes and cucumbers into round shapes for the sandwich, okay? And what else will you require? Hey, Shri, can you get the cheese? What happened, Go?
This is why my brother never learns. Here's the cheese.
Oh my. Ooh. Hey Nipa, here's the brown bread.
Sandy,
Yes.
was it very necessary to go running and come back panting with the brown bread? What's the use? No one will understand. He will anyway end up shouting at you.
Let it go. He's my elder brother. So what if he gets angry? I'm the only one who takes it. You snap back at him and Sister Nipa cries. Listen, we must always showcase Mithai's qualities to Mr. Bittergod. Tess is not here right now. This is the best time. Try to understand.
Like this?
Yes.
Mithai,
Yes.
listen.
Hmm.
Mr. Bittergod will go to the study in some time. And then you must go and serve his meal.
Okay.
Okay.
No.
Hey, where are you running? Come!
Hey!
Oh my. Mithai, don't make us run this way. Listen, Mithai. It's you who is supposed to serve him the food. So you will go and serve his meal, no one else.
Oh Lord, please help. Oh Lord, please help. Oh Lord. Excuse me? Brother Sandy brought the bread and Sister Nipa cut the vegetables. In case anyone is hungry, then he can have this.
Nipa, Sandy, thank you for the sandwich.
One minute, brother Sid. Mithai has made this sandwich, okay? I hope you have no objection eating something that she has touched.
What do you mean?
No, I mean, please don't get angry. I'm saying this because after coming back from Ratul's place, the way you have avoided everything that Mithai has cooked, or you scold her if she enters your room to clean, so I thought I must tell you. You know, despite knowing your temper, she made it because you are hungry. That is why I'm asking. I hope you don't mind eating it.
Look, Sandy, I think you all are becoming drama queens in the company of that girl. Tell me straight that Siddharth, despite your temper, Mithai has made this for you. I didn't ask her to do this. I was about to order my food. Anyway, you and Nipa went to the trouble to arrange this for me, so I'll eat this. Thank you once again.
What? Are you happy now? Could you explain Mithai's qualities? Listen, Sandy, my brother won't change this way. He will change only if he comes under pressure. And that is why I asked Mithai to force him. But Mithai doesn't understand what I'm trying to tell her.
Let it go, Sister Shri. A man could eat when he felt hungry. That's enough for me to be happy. And you know, Sister Shri, I love to feed people. Mithai doesn't care about who says what.
What can you expect from the Modak family? Grandpa is depending more on Mithai than you. Do you still wish to live here after all this? You have built the business home. In spite of knowing all this, he cannot depend on you? Just ruin their business. Let them learn.
I have thought about it several times, uncle. I couldn't do it. Each time I thought, Mamuni brought me here from the orphanage. And Grandpa was a different person before Mithai came.
I'll see you later, Mr. Sumresh. Namaste.
Namaste. Protein?
Samresh, what are you doing here?
I'm supposed to ask you that, Pratin. Tomorrow is the foundation day of Siddheshwar Modak. Mom and Dad personally gifts clothes to the employees. So what is Shom doing here with you today? Pratin, tell Shom to either leave the job or concentrate on his work properly. I can't tolerate this anymore. I need to take a decision as soon as possible.
I will not go to work tomorrow, uncle. Let me see. What is he going to do?
Sulata? Shri, Neepa? Where are you? Everyone has to lend a hand with the chores today. Lakshmi's mother is also not here. But where is Mithai? Mithai?
Oh, Aunt Oppa, come with me to the puja room. Grandfather, Grandma, Aunt Sulata have gone to the Guru's ashram. Amresh uncle has gone to the shop. Where is Sister Nanda?
Isn't Nanda here yet?
Here I am. Look, here I am. Mithai?
Yes.
Where is the sweet? Grandpa offers homemade sweets to Lord. Do you know?
Yes.
Actually, Mithai, the small shop named Siddheshwar Modak which my father started, that shop was famous for the sweets which my father made. That's why my father offers the same sweets to Lord on this day. And he gives new clothes to everyone. Today is a very significant day for my father, Mithai.
Do you know, Aunt Oppa, grandfather asked me to prepare Indian sweet before leaving. I guess every year grandfather prepares the sweet himself, right?
Yes. He starts all the preparation from the previous night
Aunt
itself.
Appa, tell me, what should I do? Oh my, I see Mithai has done almost everything.
No. A lot of work is still pending. And Toppa, I have brought my lord and placed him here. I hope you don't mind.
Are you crazy? Why would we mind? You did the right thing, Mithai. All the lords will be together over here.
Actually, I felt today I will pray to the Lord for all the family members. This date is so important for this family. Grandfather started with a small shop. And see, today, it's such a large business.
Okay, Aunt, can I take a picture now? Hey, I have to upload pictures. Hashtag puja time. No matter who does what, Nipa never shifts her focus from her goal. Hey, Nipa, in front of our mother-in-law, don't keep saying I will take a picture, I will take a video. Please don't do such things. She won't like it. She will say, Nipa, all this is not at all right. You know you need to change your ways. Have you understood?
No, Sister Nanda. Why are you frightening Sister Nipa? Aunt Sushmita is such a good-hearted person. I don't think she will ask Sister Nipa to change her ways.
You're right, Mithai. If I can't take photos, I will be dead. And I burst into tears if anyone scolds me.
No, Sister Nipa. No one will scold you. Brother Ratul is there. He won't let anyone scold you.
Mithai.
Mithai, I have a request to make. Today is Women's Day, a day which celebrates womanhood. This day is for women. So I want that one of us should start the puja today. Antappa, Mithai sings a beautiful song for Gopal. Mithai, please sing that song.
Yes, please. Mithai, do sing. Hey, Nipa. Is Sid sitting in the study? Please go and check.
Wow, you have such a sweet voice. I see Lord has made all the arrangements already for this union. Only we were not able to understand the signs. And that is why Siddharth is also not getting it.
What's this? Why are you at home at this hour? Isn't it an important day for your business?
I'm not feeling well, Siddharth.
Anything serious?
Nothing at all serious. Why should I be the only one to rush first every day? Your father doesn't think that I contribute to the business anyway. Actually, I work only for Grandpa. But now even Grandpa also doesn't have faith in me.
That's just not true, Shom. Grandpa doesn't lose faith in anyone so easily. I know, and you know that well, isn't it?
Oh, wait. Let me see. Amaresh? Oh, the prince is sitting and reading the newspaper. He neither went to the shop nor to the base kitchen. Now tell me. Hang up, let me handle this. Hello? Why didn't you go to the shop? Today is the foundation day of Siddheshwar Modak. We gift new clothes to everyone. Don't you know that? And why are you sitting here? Will you tell me that? Why should Amaresh manage everything alone? Hey! How dare you ignore me? I'll throw you out of this house right now. I don't care about anyone.